Hello! Today we're going to show you how to use Turnitin. What is Turnitin? As the page says, Turnitin just finds text that matches other sources in the vast Turnitin databases and shows those matches. It's up to a human being to determine whether those text matches are a problem or not. Turnitin offers a tool that helps educators and their students make informed evaluations of student work rapidly and move on to the important task of discerning what their students need in the way of instruction, correction, or judicial action. First, we have to create an account. First, you have to create a user profile. Log in as a student. You need to write your class ID. You have to type in your first name, then your last name, and they give you some other options of how Turnitin will use your name. You will type your email address and confirm it again. Now you have to enter your password and then confirm your password again. Secret question. Select a secret and as will answer your question. You have to read the instructions and agree if you want to use Turnitin. Then, when you make your account, you need to log in by putting your email address and your password. You have to enroll a class to submit your paperwork. Then, when you click on enroll a class, you have to type in the class ID and then your enrollment password. Now, you can, by enrolling to your class, you can submit your paper. Example, here we have an industrial revolution paragraph that we are copying, and then we are going to put it in a document, and this document we're going to submit it to Turnitin, and we could see the percentage of plagiarism by the time we use Turnitin. Now that your paperwork is done, we're going to submit it on Turnitin. First, you have to submit it with a title, and then you can submit it by Dropbox, your computer, or Drive. We are now uploading it. We are going to submit it by Drive. You upload it. Then you have your paper, your file. You return to assignment list. You need to wait that it charge. And right here you check your originality. We have a problem, but then at the right it will appear your percentage of plagiarism.